President Donald Trump is calling on God, just like David in the Bible. Remember, when David faces a lot of challenges, he calls on God. When David was fighting his enemies, he always called on God. And when David, maybe their children, turned out from God, God also turned out from them. So, for God to remain in your life, you must always consult Him. If you put God first in things you do, you can never lose any battle. You can never be defeated. And you will always be victorious. So, let's use David in the Bible as an example. He always consults God whenever there is crisis. Now, President Donald Trump is doing the same. Watch this.
Prosperously affected. And the Lord appeared to Solomon by night and said to him, I have heard your prayer and have chosen this place for myself for a house of sacrifice. If I shut up heaven, that there be no rain, or if I command the locusts to devour the land, or if I send pestilence among my people, if my people, which are called by my name, shall humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then will I hear from heaven and will forgive their sin and will heal their land. Now my eyes shall be open and my ears attent to the prayer that is made in this place. For now I have chosen and sanctified this house, that my name may be there forever, and my eyes and my heart shall be there perpetually. And as for you, if you will walk before me, as David your father walked, and do according to all that I have commanded you, and shall observe my statutes and my judgments, then will I establish the throne of my kingdom according to as I have covenanted with David your father, saying, there shall not fail you as a man to be ruler in Israel. But if you turn away and forsake my statutes and my commandments, which I have set before you, and shall go and serve other gods and worship them, then will I pluck them up from the roots out of my land which I have given them, and this house which I have sanctified for my name will I cast out of my sight, and will make it to be a proverb and a byword among nations. And this house which is high shall be an astonishment to every one that passes by it, so that he shall say, why has the Lord done thus to this land and to this house? And it shall be answered, because they forsook the Lord God of their fathers, which brought them forth out of the land of Egypt, and laid hold on other gods, and worshiped them and served them. Therefore has he brought all this evil upon them.
If you believe in God, if you trust in God, you can never go astray. You will always be victorious. You will conquer, and God will always give you solutions once there is problem in your life. So as President Donald Trump is doing, I believe that God will intervene, if not only in the crisis or economic things happening in the US. God will intervene in the crisis between US and Iran. So these two countries, they really need God to intervene in their situation so that peace will reign. They will have total peace and resolve this crisis. I pray that Iran will listen to the US, and US should also listen to the Iran, so that they will dialogue and have peace and end this crisis just because of nuclear weapon and uranium. That is why these two countries are in crisis. So I just pray that as Donald Trump seek the face of God, let God answer and also resolve this issue between the US and the Iran, so that these two countries will start cooperating as they used to cooperate. Because I believe that some Americans are friends to Iranians, and also Iranians are friends to some of Americans. So They are not supposed to be fighting each other just because of mineral resources and because of power, maybe wealth or position, or you want to possess something. That is why they are having misunderstanding with each other. I just pray that God will come to their aid and end this crisis between these two countries. Thank you for watching. I hope you get value from watching this video. Drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's know what you think. I really appreciate you for watching. See you in the next one. But make sure you turn on the bell. Anytime I publish a next video, you will get notification. Bye for now.